Well, Cheryl and I finally figured out what the heck we want to do for winter of 2025. We've got a great cruise deal coming up for you folks. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, Rob from Cruise Seekers, and thank you so much for joining our show. Thank you for watching our cruise deal videos. We have a great cruise deal for you folks today. It's finally another cruise that my wife and I are going to be on, and we will love for you to sail with us on this cruise. But before we get into the information about this cruise deal, I would like to thank each and every one of you folks out there who have become a member of this Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you so much for being with us. We love all of you folks. And if you have not become a member of this Cruise Seekers community just yet, think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on. This way you can get notified when we have great cruise deals out there for you, and also tips and tricks and all sorts of information about different cruise lines and reviews about ships. So if you like everything about cruising, think about subscribing, turn that notification bell on. It is so appreciated by us. Thank you so much for doing that. And while you're down there, hey, hit that thumbs up button. It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this video so they can jump on this great cruise deal too. So without further ado, hey, let's talk about the cruise that my wife and I are going on. Let's talk about this great cruise deal for the winter of 2025. Alrighty, so let's talk about this itinerary, what we're doing. We are going to be on the Sun Princess on November 30th of 2025, doing an Eastern Caribbean cruise. We can't wait to be on the Sun Princess, the brand new Sphere class. All these videos that are coming out on YouTube has me very excited to see this ship for myself personally. And I'm sure you're feeling that same too, because you know what? FOMO is real, folks, right? So I want to get my butt on the Sun Princess. I want to see everything that we have to see about that ship. And we're going to be doing one of my favorite Caribbean itineraries, those Eastern Caribbean itineraries. We're going to go to a private island where our drink package is going to work. We're going to go to St. Thomas. I love the Virgin Islands. And we're also going to have a very, very long stop over in Puerto Rico in San Juan. We're going to be there for 13 hours. We're not leaving the port until 10 p.m. So if you want to have a really nice dinner in San Juan, you can. It's a great location. It's a fun location. And I love long port stops. So that's what we got, folks. We got a great itinerary, we got a great ship, and we got a great date. I love going right after Thanksgiving, especially after all the hubbub and the stress of Black Friday shopping and stuff like that, all the people. I want to just decompress after that myself, and then I can get myself ready for the Christmas time. Okay, folks, let's get into the pricing right now. So I have cabin categories from mini suites all the way down to inside cabins, all different locations. Let us know where you want to be on the ship, and we will get you an exact price. But these prices are where we start at, folks, in each one of these cabin categories. And these prices are for two people in the cabin, double occupancy. You each will get the Princess Plus package, and you will also get a 100% refundable deposit. You will also get a $50 onboard credit for your cabin as well. So these are great prices. You get all those three perks. You get plus a little extra perks too with Princess Plus. But you know, the big ones are the drinks, the tips, and the Wi-Fi. That's the ones you really kind of care about most of it. The other stuff are really nice little add-on things. Now, I do have great rates for a third and fourth person in the cabin. Give us a call about that. We also have great solo supplements on these cruises too, folks. So give us a call about that too. I'll let you know what the solo supplement is with our group rates. All right, so let's start off with the mini suites. The mini suites that we have for two people with the Princess Plus refundable deposit and the $50 onboard credit is $3,638 even. It's a great rate, folks. Beautiful room, nice size cabin. Gives you tons and tons of extra space. You will love this cabin. The next room we have are balconies. Now the balconies can be anywhere on the ship. So I'm going to just start off with the lowest price balcony here, folks, and it will go up from there. These are for Cove balconies, but if you're looking for something outside of Cove, let us know. And the prices are not much different here, but they do start off at this price of $3,248 even. You'll get that $50 onboard credit, you get Princess Plus, and you get that refundable deposit. The next cabin category we have are ocean views. These are those beautiful picture windows that you have all over the ship. Good pricing here as well. They do start off at $3,082, and wherever you want in the ship, we will find a good location for you, but they do start off at that price point. And finally, we have inside cabins, and the inside cabins are a great deal with Princess Plus, with the $50 onboard credit, with the refundable deposit for 2 people, it's $2,442 even. What a great price. What a banger deal. You get a ton of value on that dang inside with all the perks. Such a good deal. So if you want to come on this cruise with Cheryl and I, and you want to jump on these great prices that we have in our group rates, what you're going to do is you're going to give a call to the number right there down below. If you hit extension 1, that brings you to me. The extension 2 brings you to my wife, Cheryl. Now, if you don't want to give us a call, you can fill out the travel interest survey form. I will leave a link in the description down below. Just click that link, fill out the information. Let us know that you want to be on the Sun Princess for November 30th, 2025 with us. We will let you know exactly the pricing. Let us know what kind of cabin category you want, where you want to be on the ship, and we will get you an exact price for you and your traveling companions. Finally, if you're sitting on your couch in your living room watching YouTube and you don't have access to that keyboard or mouse, well, I'm going to put a QR code right there for you. Just scan that QR code with your phone. It will bring you to that same travel interest survey form. Fill that form out on your phone. Let us know that you want to be on the Sun Princess with us in November 30th, 2025. Let us know how many people you're going to be traveling with, how many cabins you need, what kind of cabin category you're going to need. We will get back to you as soon as possible. So there you go, folks. That is our cruise deal for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come and sail with Cheryl and I. We would love to have you with us on this brand new ship, this Sun Princess, to see what this Sphere class is all about. We are so excited about going on this trip, and we are excited to sail with you folks as well. Now, if you like this video, hey, give it a big thumbs up. It does help that YouTube algorithm. It does help other people find this video. This way they can travel along with all of us. And if you made it this far, hey, think about subscribing and turn that notification bell on. We would love to have you as a member of this Cruise Seekers community. Thank you so much for doing it. And if you are interested in talking about the Sun Princess and about this itinerary, leave a comment down below. We would love to hear from you folks. Have you got a booking already for the Sun Princess, and are you excited to go? I am seriously jealous of you folks if you do. Let us know what you are expecting about the Sun Princess. What are you expecting to kind of see on this new class of ship? What are you excited for? Let us know in the comment section. We love engaging with you folks in the comment section. We try to answer to every comment that's out there. So until we talk again next time, this is Rob from Cruise Seekers reminding each and every one of you to seek the seas. Bye now.